Class 6 Science Chapter 1 Natural Resources Air, Water and Land. Exercise Question 1. Fill in the blanks and rewrite the completed statements. 1. The layer of ozone gas absorbs ultraviolet rays that come from the sun to the earth. 2. Of the total water available on the earth, fresh water forms 0.3%. 3. Both biotic and abiotic constituents are present in the soil. Question 2. Why is it said that 1. The ozone layer is a protective shell of Earth? Answer 1. The ultraviolet rays coming from the sun are very harmful for living things. 2. The ozone absorbs these UV rays and prevents them from reaching the earth. As a result, life on earth is protected. 3. Therefore, it is said that the ozone layer is a protective shell of the earth. 2. Water is life. Answer 1. Water is a good solvent and it dissolves many substances. 2. The human blood is made of 70% water and the sap of plant also contain a very high proportion of water. 3. Hence, without water, no living organism can live. 4. Therefore, it is said that water is life. 3. Seawater is useful even though it is not potable. Answer. Many fish and aquatic animals live in seawater. The water evaporates and forms clouds which brings rain. The salt and minerals are also obtained from seawater. Corals and pearls are obtained from sea animals. 4. Microbes in soil get destroyed. 1. Microbes in the soil decompose dead plants and animals and convert it into humus. This humus supplies nutrients to the soil. It makes the soil more fertile. If microbes are destroyed, humus will not be formed and the soil will not become fertile. 5. The number of vehicles and factories in your surroundings increases. Answer. Vehicles and factories are the major cause of air pollution. It releases harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and sulfur dioxide into the air. These pollutants are harmful to the environment and to the people. Hence, if the number of vehicles and factories in our surroundings increases, the air pollution will also increase. 6. The total supply of potable water is finished. Answer. Water plays very important role in the survival of living organisms. All living things are dependent on water. Water is used for drinking, cleaning, washing, bathing, etc. Therefore, if total supply of potable water is finished, plants and animals will not live. 4. Match the following. Carbon dioxide. Answer: plants and food production. Oxygen, combustion. Water vapor, rain. Microbes, generation of soil. Question 5. Name the following constituents of biosphere: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and all living things on earth. Biotic constituents of soil: microbes, worms, insects, burrowing rodents like rats, mice, roots of trees and plants, fossil fuel, crude oil from which we get kerosene, petrol, diesel, paraffin wax and tar, inert gases in air, neon, argon, helium, krypton, xenon, gases that are harmful to ozone layer, chlorofluorocarbon and carbon tetrachloride. Question 6. True or false? Land and soil is the same thing. False. Land consists of stones, soil, and big rocks. The water in a lake is called groundwater. False. Water trapped below the ground over the bedrock is called groundwater. It takes about 1,000 years to form a 25 centimeter thick layer of soil. False. It almost takes around 1,000 years to form a 2.5 centimeter thick layer of soil. Radon is used in decorative lights. False. Neon is used in decorative lights. 7. Why are air, water, and land considered to be valuable natural resources? Answer: the various components of air help and support the growth of living organisms. Nitrogen is used to make proteins, oxygen is used for respiration, and carbon dioxide is used to make food by plants. Similarly, land supports growth of terrestrial plants and animals. It provides important minerals to plants and also to human beings. It is the shelter for worms, insects, and rodents and supports their growth. Plants also cannot survive without land. Water is necessary for carrying out all life processes in the living organisms, and without water there will be no life on earth. Hence, land, air, and water are considered valuable natural resources. Some important extra points from chapter: the air in the atmosphere around the earth contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, six inert gases: nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, water vapor, and dust particles. The 16th of September is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day. We get fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin, and other useful materials like tar and wax from the fossil fuel called crude oil. Some uses of gases in air: nitrogen helps living things to build the necessary proteins. It is useful in the production of ammonia and the airtight packaging of foodstuffs. Oxygen necessary for respiration in living things and for combustion. Carbon dioxide plants use it for producing their food, used in fire extinguishers. Argon used in electric bulbs. Helium used for obtaining low temperature and also for generating lift in airships. Neon used in decorative lights and for street lighting. Krypton used in fluorescent tubes. Xenon used in flash photography. Water available on Earth in percentage: seas, oceans 97%, frozen water 2.7%, water available for drinking, fresh water 0.3%, total 100%. Diagram of proportions of the various gases in the air: nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.9%, other constituents of air 0.07%, carbon dioxide 0.03%. Diagram of layers of land: bedrock, layer of soil and small rocks, immature soil, soil, humus.